Perfection made by details. Motivation is to interpret attitude with preciseness. The motivation of QDY is derived from the trust to customers expressed by responsibility and credibility. To arouse global motivation, carry forward the spirit of craftsmen. QDY is a world-class brand and a Chinese brand of dream. QDY was founded in 2002, located in the Bering City of China, Dalian, Wafangdian City. The company covers more than 20,000 square meters, including 11,000 square meters modernized factory district. It is a professional and compositive modernized bearing enterprise, integrated with design and development, production, manufacturing, and marketing. QDY regards satisfying international demands as the orientation of motivation. Their bearing products cover cylindrical roller bearings, double row tapered roller bearings, single row tapered roller bearings, thrust roller bearings, CC-type spherical roller bearings, CA and B-type spherical roller bearings, double direction thrust angular contact bearings, main shaft bearing of machine tool, and a variety of non-standard bearings. The production precision can reach P5, P4. To make high-quality products is the motivation that agglomerates more than 200 employees of QDY. The company has more than 150 facilities, including large, medium, and small size. And more than 200 perfect detection devices to guarantee that optimal design, material selection, turning, heat treatment, roller processing, grinding, strict detection, assembly, cleaning, packaging, and delivery. Each link constantly strives for excellence and is as good as it gets. By right of superior protection techniques, strict management, and perfect quality management system, QDY obtained product import-export power. QDY was approved by ISO 9001-2000 Certificate of Quality Management System in 2005 and achieved the honorary titles of AAA Grade Credit Unit of Liaoning Province, famous trademark of Dalian City, trusted quality many times, Acing the severe test of market for more than 10 years, QDY replaces imported bearings with international techniques. Regarding making high value-added products for customers with all one strength, saving cost, creating value for customers continually has the development power of enterprise. QDY's products are sold well all over the country and export to USA, Italy, Belgium, Latvia, Ukraine, Turkey, Azerbaijan, Iran, Pakistan, India, Russia, Australia, South Africa, Brazil, etc. More than 20 countries and areas. Products are applied extensively in mining, metallurgy, petroleum, coal, steel, paper making, and construction machinery, etc. Products are approved and praised by general customers. Now, QDY has already been the outstanding matching supplier of He Steel Group Company Limited, Zenith Steel Group Company Limited, Li Ming Heavy Industry Science and Technology Company Limited, Hangzhou Shanhu Group, Anhui Conch Cement Company Limited, etc. Oriented to the future, QDY will continually regard customers' demand as focus point and development power, researching innovation ceaselessly, bringing quality bearing products with outstanding prices and wholehearted services to the customers all over the world. At the same time, QDY is trying hard to create the international famous bearing brand, leading Chinese bearing industry, supporting and glorifying Chinese bearing industry. QDY, a Chinese brand of dream.